and they don't.
It's them OG MCIE 909 MCs, please don't test me. Once again, warfare, coincide, suicidal, homicidal, freestyle, homicide, level like our street fighter. SB live, alive, a spitter rider. Your heart is bitter, mine is feeling good in the hood. While it's time to rewind this, I'm highness, highest numero uno. Battle me, fatality equals motherfucking funeral. You gotta get through C's, MC Mafia like it's who you know. West Coast, death row, let blow, petro, death blow. Killer gold, suicidal, individual, win the physical. Triple OG MC killing 16 ways, any tempo, abuse beats, label them detrimental to instrumentals, caught back Glecko. You metrosexuals ain't dope. Now take notes over Indo smoke. What J ain't for throats. Whole blazing swords wage war. Father the game, call it baseball. You motherfuckers late like a train tour. I take flight, stay high, stay raw. Game over, motherfuckers changed overnight. Stain draws, your game's lost. Jaguar, bang hard on your fucking faculty. Now who wanna battle? End up a catastrophe, got your tragedy. We create masterpieces, call it disaster piece. When I clock back and release, squeeze, hit you 16s. Lyrically with the Ruger, shoot your booyah, flexing like I was fucking Lex Luger.
Let the street talk, tick tock, never let the beef walk, click clock. You already know what time it is. Wristwatch, time is ticking, all like yours clicking. Bodies in the missing, hear you when you're sibiling. Have you shivering, face transfiguring, from the case triggering, brains lingering. Homicide when it's fucking cells when they try to finger me. That's another injury for your family. That's
This
how it
is
had
hip
to be.
hop, let the beat drop, let them streets talk. Let my heat bark, watch them feet flop. Heavy yelling, nigga, please stop. You know what he caught 3 shots, taking over these blocks. Cowboy style like Yeehaw. Have you hanging from the treetop? You know what we brought, a 36 and a little bit of weed, bro. My bitch is hungry and we gotta eat, dawg. All I feed her is clip, she wants some meat, y'all. Have you leaking straight skeet, y'all. Homicide on my face, nice to meet y'all. Before you die, I'ma beat y'all, teach y'all. Say your prayers, you about to find out who you gon' meet, dawg. Is it the devil or can it be God? I cut the bullshit like a seesaw. Let the heat turn up, it's time to creep, dawg.
There is one, the only time to appreciate the old days. I guess that's why I'm stuck within my old ways, holding, but I let go like I was bowling, crafting the world in my palm which I was sowing, exposing, strolling the path I was chosen, evoking, revolting, provoking. We're scoping the whole scene, making a mark. I self-destruct, now exploding, flame in the dark once it erupts. Stars are showing, realize there's no trying to hide. Redecide your disguise, keeping sights on the prize like a sniper's eyes. Blindfolded I walk, chalk bodies outlined. It's a day in the park, they're on the grind and you can find them throwing bait to a shark. You can find them next to Noah building, making an ark. Before the tidal wave arrives, bullets, blades, and knives. Suicides, homicides, the fate that you decide. Mothers cry.
These streets talk and they don't.
It's them OG MCIE 909 MCs, please don't test me. Anomalia, I be that illa bacteria, rapid stepping in Southern California. Like the area with bright ideas, I radiate more than Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Drunk monkey off that sake, mutate everything as a copy of a copy. So I control, then I'll delete you, defeat you, release you from your evil spell. Intel reveals, film frame still, slow motion picture, camera real. Capture moments, make time stand still, like time traveling, reality unraveling. Angling your view, life sampling. All they hear from you is rumbling, stumbling and stumbling. What you're really doing is gambling your life savings, so you better run for your life.
These streets talk and they don't lie. There was a harm.
It's them OG MCIE 909 MCs, please don't test me. It's them OG MCIE 909 MCs, please don't test me.